As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Algorand cost will hit $0.2 toward the finish of 2023 and afterwards $0.3 by the center of 2024. Algorand will ascend to $0.5 inside the extended period of 2026 and $0.7 in 2030. Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1992, so the cost expanded by 16% from the outset of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 27 cents and the year-to-year change plus 58%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 36%. In the principal half of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 32 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 2 cents and close the year at 34 cents, which is plus 71% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Sunday, December 10 20 cents Monday, December 11 21 cents Tuesday, December 12 21 cents Wednesday, December 13 21 cents Thursday, December 14 22 cents Friday, December 15 22 cents Saturday, December 16 22 cents Sunday. December 17 22 cents January 15 27 cents February 15 28 cents March 15 29 cents April 15 30 cents May 15 31 cents Algorand expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 34 cents to 62 cents, which is up 82%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 34 cents, then take off to 37 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 39 cents. That implies plus 96% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 62 cents to 94 cents, which is plus 52%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 62 cents, then, at that point, take off to 66 cents inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at 70 cents. It is about plus 251% from today. Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1323, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 17 cents and the year-to-year change 1%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 28%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will drop to 16 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 17 cents, which is plus 28% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 17 cents to 26 cents, which is up 53%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 17 cents, then take off to 18 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 17 cents. That implies plus 28% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 26 cents to 33 cents, which is plus 27%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 26 cents and finish 2030 at 26 cents. It is about plus 97% from today. 11/1/2023 Algorand Value Expectation 2023 to 2024 Algorand cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1090, so the cost diminished by 36% from the very start of the year. The gauge Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 12 cents and the year-to-year change 30%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 10%. In the main portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will drop to 11 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 12 cents, which is plus 10% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 12 cents to 18 cents, which is up half. Algorand will begin 2025 at 12 cents, then take off to 13 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 12 cents. That implies plus 10% from today. Algorand forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 18 cents to 25 cents, which is plus 39%. Algorand will begin 2030 at 18 cents and finish 2030 at 18 cents. It is about plus 65% from today. 10-15 2023 Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand Cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.0952, so the cost diminished by 44% from the very start of the year. The determined Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.1078 and the year-to-year change 37%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 13%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to $0.1141. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0092 and close the year at $0.1233, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Algorand expectation 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from $0.1233 to $0.2319, which is up 88%. Algorand will begin 2025 at $0.1233, then, at that point, take off to $0.1313 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.1549. That implies plus 63% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from $0.2319 to $0.3429, which is plus 48%. Algorand will begin 2030 at $0.2319, then take off to $0.2468 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2030 at $0.2616. It is about plus 175% from today. 10-1 2023 Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2024 Algorand Cost began in 2023 at $0.1714. Today, Algorand exchanged at $0.1042, so the cost diminished by 39% from the start of the year. The gauge Algorand cost toward the finish of 2023 is 11 cents and the year-to-year change 36%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 6%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Algorand cost will move to 12 cents. In the last part, the cost would add 1 cent and close the year at 13 cents, which is plus 25% to the ongoing cost. Algorand forecast 2025 to 2029 these 5 years would bring an increment. Algorand cost would move from 13 cents to 25 cents, which is up 92%. Algorand will begin 2025 at 13 cents, then, at that point, take off to 14 cents inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at 17 cents. That implies plus 63% from today. Algorand expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Algorand cost would ascend from 25 cents